I just feel like I should not be shampooing my hair, but it needs to be done. Hello. I styled my hair this morning after taking out my 3 braids that I had put in preparation for shampooing my hair. I plan to shampoo my hair later on today. But before I do that, I wanted to let you see how I styled my hair right after my sponge roller set. And you'll see that those curls are still hanging in there. And even after I have braided and banded and taken out my hair, I still have the remnants of my sponge curls. And I just feel like I should not be shampooing my hair, but it needs to be done. I'm going to shampoo my hair, and I'm going to use a new shampoo and a pre-treatment of some kind, because before I had my retightening last time, I don't feel like I cleansed my hair enough, and therefore I had some buildup that I could feel on my hair even though I couldn't see it. And my loctician, Kim, also agreed. And so stay tuned to see how I styled after my sponge roller set. You'll see all that I went through. It's going to be really, really quick. And thank you for watching. Thank you. Gonna keep it. this is it. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. Have a great day.